If you have been looking for the ultimate way to bring professional-grade bakery performance into your home kitchen, the Ooni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer is the game-changer you've been waiting for. This isn't just another stand mixer, it is a specialized, dual-kneading powerhouse engineered specifically for those who take their pizza, bread, and pasta dough seriously. The core difference is the spiral mixing technology. While traditional planetary mixers struggle with heavy doughs, the Halo Pro uses a rotating bowl and spiral hook to mimic the gentle yet effective kneading of commercial bakery equipment. This develops gluten strength far more efficiently, resulting in a silkier, more elastic dough without the risk of overheating. A massive advantage for high hydration sourdough and Neapolitan-style pizzas. Here is why this machine is the ultimate upgrade for your kitchen. Professional dual kneading action by combining a rotating bowl with a spiral hook. The dough is folded and stretched perfectly. The included removable breaker bar is a stroke of genius, preventing the dough from climbing the hook, which keeps the mixing consistent and the machine incredibly easy to clean. Precision control. You get 58 speed settings, allowing you to dial in the exact speed needed for everything from slow kneading heavy sourdough to high-speed whipping. It also features a built-in timer, so you can walk away from the bench and the mixer will stop automatically when your dough is perfectly developed. Total visibility and cleanliness. With an internal LED light, you can watch your dough transform in real time, helping you nail that window pane stage perfectly. The clear, lockable splash guard also means you can say goodbye to the dreaded flour storm that usually happens at the start of every mixing session. Versatile beyond pizza. While it's the king of pizza dough, it comes with a flexible silicone edge beater for cake batters and cookie doughs, and a geared whisk for fluffy meringues and creams, making it a surprisingly well-rounded tool for all your baking needs. Finished in a sophisticated charcoal gray, the Halo Pro is built from high-quality die-cast aluminum and stainless steel, giving it the stability and longevity you expect from a premium tool. It's compact enough to live on your countertop, but powerful enough to handle batches that would make standard mixers burn out. If you are finally ready to stop wrestling with your dough and start producing consistent, baker-quality results, you can find the best price for the Ooni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer by clicking the link below.